So I had a gas lift spring from Sea-Dog line that wasn't working properly. So of course went and got a new one, and there's really no videos out there that show how to replace these. So I kind of figured it out. It's not hard, but I figured why not put this out there so it might help somebody else. So this is just a little gas lift spring that we use on our boat, and it opens the hatch to go down into the V-berth, and it started failing. So replaced it, got that going, and what I'm going to show you is the process for getting the old one off and putting the new one on. So I've already done this, so it's kind of working in reverse, and so we'll check this out. So the good part about just replacing these rams is that the brackets and the whole assembly is still in place, and all you have to do is pull this cap off and then gently but firmly pull these apart and replace it with the new ones. Of course, this is the new one, so this is 20 bucks. Now I have a functioning door. So this is the old one, and it was no longer holding up the top, so this is the new one. So in taking this one off, I accidentally broke the little fins off. When you take it off, there's a ball that these rotate on. You just simply pop those off. Just be gentle. Taking it off, I guess, doesn't matter because you don't need these anymore, but putting the new ones on, definitely use some caution and be firm. When you do go push them on nice and firm, but be cautious that you could break those. Yeah, and then what you have is these caps, and these caps are pried apart in these slots with a flathead screwdriver right here, and I'll show you that part. So I took this cap off, prying this up, and then once you have this portion around the ball end, you push it on tight so that it now rests like that. And once that's on and this part is exposed, you take the cap that you've taken off and simply slide it over these holes, line it in, push it in, and now I have a functioning door, and it's up nice, holds nice, doing good. Thanks for watching.